Welcome to Spectrum Sphere, the home for those passionate about learning and exploration. Today, join us on a journey through the serene world of yoga, perfect for beginners. If you're eager to enhance your well-being and find inner peace, grab your mat and let's start this transformative practice together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly discoveries. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a holistic approach to well-being, harmonizing the mind, body, and spirit. Practitioners often experience increased flexibility, improved strength, and enhanced mental clarity. Let's embark on this path of self-discovery and see how yoga can positively impact our lives, starting today. Tracing back over 5,000 years, yoga originates from ancient India, embodying a rich philosophical framework. Central to its philosophy is the quest for a harmonious balance between mind, body, and soul, as well as a connection with the universe. It's a discipline fostering inner peace and self-awareness. As we dive further into our yoga journey, it's crucial to set intentions. This isn't about ambitious goals, but rather guiding your practice towards a mindful connection with the present. Whether it's to attain peace, improve flexibility, or simply to dedicate time to oneself, your intention will anchor your yoga journey. Moving on to the essentials, starting your yoga practice doesn't require much. A quality yoga mat is key for comfort and stability. You may also consider yoga blocks and a strap to help with alignment and support in various poses. Lastly, comfortable clothing allows for unrestricted movement as you flow. Breathing is the cornerstone of yoga practice. In this section, we'll delve into pranayama, or breath control. These techniques can help you manage stress and increase your focus. We'll start with deep belly breathing to calm the mind, and then introduce basic exercises like Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. Before we dive into the heart of our yoga practice, let's begin with simple warm-up movements to prepare our bodies. Gentle neck rolls will release tension, while shoulder stretches can increase mobility. Let's also incorporate some wrist and ankle rotations to awaken the joints. Remember to move with your breath and ease into each motion. Transitioning from warm-ups, we'll now explore basic standing poses, starting with Tadasana, or mountain pose. Plant your feet firmly, distribute your weight evenly, and elongate your spine. Inhale deeply, reaching your arms skyward. Proper alignment is key. Imagine a straight line running through your body, grounding you to the earth while extending upwards. Moving into gentle forward bends, these poses are fantastic for stretching your hamstrings and calming your mind. We'll start with Uttanasana, or standing forward fold. With a slight bend in the knees to protect your lower back, exhale as you hinge at the hips. Let your head hang freely, releasing tension. Transitioning to the floor, we'll explore basic seated yoga poses. Let's begin with Dandasana, or staff pose. Sit with your legs extended, spine straight, and palms resting beside your hips. This pose sets the foundation for a good posture and prepares the body to move into deeper seated stretches. Twisting poses are excellent for maintaining spinal health. Let's start with the seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit with legs extended. Bend your right knee, placing the right foot outside the left thigh. Reach your left arm outside the right knee and twist gently to the right, keeping your spine tall. Hold, release, and switch sides. Moving on to back bends, we'll introduce poses that open the chest and stretch the spine. A great start is the Cobra pose, or Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach, hands under shoulders, elbows close to the body. Gently lift your chest off the ground, using your back muscles with minimal pressure on your hands. Balancing poses are next, an excellent way to enhance your focus and concentration. Let's start with tree pose, or Vrikshasana. Shift your weight onto your left foot, placing the right foot on the inner thigh or calf, never the knee. Bring hands to heart center and find a point to focus on for balance. Moving into a new realm of postures, we approach yoga inversions, which for beginners start with simple poses. Inversions like the downward-facing dog encourage blood flow to the brain. Keep your spine long and your feet hip-width apart. Remember, it's crucial to move into these poses slowly and with awareness. As we conclude our session, let's transition to a guided relaxation sequence. Lie down on your back, allowing your feet to fall gently apart and your palms to face upward. Take deep breaths, and with each exhale, feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Let go of tension and find stillness. Creating a yoga routine at home is straightforward. Begin with a few minutes of deep breathing to center yourself. Then move through a series of gentle warm-ups and basic poses we covered, including standing, seated, and a balancing pose. Finish with a short relaxation to absorb the benefits of your practice. Maintaining consistency in your yoga practice is key. Set a regular time each day to step onto your mat. Keep your sessions achievable, with even just 10 minutes making a difference. Also, consider joining a yoga challenge or partnering with a friend to stay accountable and motivated on your yoga journey. As you explore various poses, always listen to your body's signals. If you feel discomfort or pain, it's crucial to modify the pose to suit your level. Use props like blocks or straps to assist you, and don't hesitate to take a restful pose whenever you need it. Remember, yoga is a personal journey, not a competition. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore different yoga styles to find the perfect fit for you. Hatha yoga is great for beginners, focusing on fundamental poses at a comfortable pace. For something more dynamic, vinyasa flows link movement with breath. If relaxation is your goal, consider yin or restorative yoga. Moving deeper into our practice, let's weave in mindfulness. It's about being present in each movement and breath. As you transition between poses, focus on the sensations within your body. Observe your thoughts without judgment and return your attention to your breath, cultivating a state of calm awareness throughout your session. As we progress, it's crucial to address common challenges and misconceptions in yoga. One widespread myth is that you must be flexible to start practicing. However, yoga is for everyone, regardless of flexibility. Also, don't be discouraged if you find some poses difficult at first. It's all part of the journey. Transitioning smoothly from individual practice, let's explore the benefits of joining a yoga class or community. Immersing yourself among fellow yogis can be incredibly rewarding. It fosters a sense of camaraderie, provides motivation, and allows you to receive personalized guidance from instructors, ensuring your yoga journey is both effective and enjoyable. As we deepen our yoga practice, it's natural to encounter the serene world of meditation. Yoga and meditation are intertwined, with yoga preparing the body for extended periods of stillness. By integrating mindfulness and meditation techniques, you'll enrich your practice, paving the way for greater mental clarity and inner peace. Nourishing your body with the right foods can significantly enhance your yoga journey. Embrace a balanced diet rich in whole, plant-based foods that align with yoga's principles of ahimsa, or non-harm. Hydrating well and eating mindfully can amplify your energy, flexibility, and overall well-being, complementing your yoga lifestyle beautifully. Transitioning into how yoga can be a sanctuary for your mind, let's explore its calming powers. Regular practice of gentle poses, deep breathing, and meditation can significantly reduce stress levels. Yoga teaches us to be present, creating a mindful retreat from life's chaos, aiding in better mental health and emotional balance. A yoga teacher plays a vital role in guiding your practice, offering personalized adjustments and ensuring your safety. To find the right one, look for someone with certified training, a teaching style that resonates with you, and a compassionate approach. Remember, a good yoga teacher should inspire and nurture your yoga journey. In today's digital age, technology can be a great ally in your yoga journey. There are numerous apps available that offer guided sessions, pose libraries, and progress tracking. Embrace these tools to enhance your practice, create personalized routines, and maintain consistency, all from the comfort of your home or on the go. As you continue practicing, it's important to recognize your progress. Take note of the poses that get easier, your increasing flexibility, or your improved balance. Celebrate these milestones, and then set new, achievable goals. Perhaps aim to hold a pose longer or to master a new sequence to keep your practice challenging and rewarding. We'd love to hear about your yoga journey. Share your experiences in the comments below. and let us know how you're doing. Have you found a favorite pose? Any challenges you're facing? Your feedback helps us create content that supports your practice. Let's build a community of support and growth together, right here on Spectrum Sphere. As you continue your yoga journey, remember safety comes first. Always use a non-slip mat, hold poses with proper form, and never push your body into pain. It's important to know your limits and progress gradually. This mindful approach will help prevent injuries and ensure a rewarding and sustainable practice. And that's a wrap on our Yoga for Beginners guide. Thank you for tuning into Spectrum Sphere. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diverse and engaging content every week.